Nearly 170 million people in the US are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. But as we've seen in the past few weeks, it just isn't enough.
The Delta variant is even more contagious. Its prevalence, combined with the slowing vaccination rates, is really complicating our return to normal.
Test positivity and hospitalizations are trending up, and the simple truth is many of these hospitalizations and deaths can be prevented, and that's by getting vaccinated.
The amount of misinformation has made the decision to get vaccinated even more challenging.
We understand there's a lot to consider and that you may have some lingering questions.
Everyone gets confused by misinformation. I've had vaccine-hesitant family, friends, and colleagues. The important thing is to be able to talk it out with someone who has the facts.
I recently cared for a young man, unvaccinated, who ended up in the hospital with COVID for more than 21 days, and I think he'd be the first to tell you he wished he'd gotten vaccinated.
The majority of COVID patients we're seeing are unvaccinated. We're seeing young and old patients, patients with existing conditions, and others that were otherwise healthy.
And with vaccinated individuals, we're seeing exactly what the vaccine promised: protection for those around them and a reduction in the severity of the illness. They generally aren't the ones ending up on ventilators in the intensive care unit.
Your support has lifted us during the past surges, and we're once again asking for your help. Please get vaccinated if you haven't done so already. Talk to your primary care doctor and get your questions answered by a trustworthy source.
Let's stop the spread and further mutation of COVID-19 for our vulnerable populations and healthcare workers.
For our family, friends, and community.
Vaccines are readily available, including at Beaumont's vaccine clinics.
And when you're ready, make a plan to get you and your family vaccinated.